In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a fantastic cardiovascular 2-in-1 exercise where we're going to be working our legs and upper body at the same time whilst getting our heart rate up. So this is wood chops in a different format to where people would usually think of a wood chop. Often people think of wood chops as being something diagonal in motion or rotation. We're going to be doing up and down wood chops with a squat jump or a variety of ones. So what I want you to do firstly is bring your feet together. I've got one hand on each end of the dumbbell here. I'm going to take you through this really slowly, then do the repetitions fast and show you the more cardiovascular version. So I'm going to jump out. When I jump out, I'm going to drop my hips down. That looks like this. As I jump back into my start position, I bring the weight up above my head and back down. So to do this into a more cardiovascular style, we're going to start to increase the pace. So that looks like this. Jumping out, bringing the weight up and down, like so, in a nice rhythmic fashion. From a side-on view, so feet together, I've got my arms nice and straight. I jump out, bringing the dumbbell down, keeping my arms straight as I do so. And I keep my arms straight as I bring the weight up. Again, jumping down, bringing the weight back up. You'd repeat that for either your desired amount of repetitions or seconds, and of course for your desired sets. That's how to do a jumping style of a wood chop, also incorporating your legs and squat motion.